Hey, what's up guys, this is Brian from TBRCentral and welcome back to One Lifer. Last episode, we actually explored a little bit of the cave more and we made these doors, also on that side. Yeah, we basically explored some of the cave, and we thought some mobs in the cave, and we actually didn't go to the surface yet, but we will soon. Now, what I was planning to make is a mine track, railroad track, from the surface to this room here, and from this room I can, go into the mine and explore more of it and find diamonds. So that's the main goal. I don't know if we can complete it in this episode. Probably not, because it's a lot of work, especially because we have to find redstone and gold to make these bad boys. But we can make normal rails too, and I'm actually gonna mine. Oh, I'm already doing it wrong. I'm actually gonna mine all the way up to the surface to make a way for the mine track. So let's see how deep we are. And I heard a lot of mobs actually. The Enderman is still here. Like 3 episodes ago or 2 episodes ago we found him, and last episode we saw him too, but I don't know where he is this time. He keeps teleporting every time, so yeah. Can already hear the rain, so I'm guessing that we're not that far. There we go. Okay, I really have to watch out for some creepers and mobs in general, because it's raining, so they will survive. They will survive. Okay. Alright, oh, the house is actually up here. You know what? It's getting nighttime. Let's sleep. Why not? We're near the house, so yeah, why not? Actually, I have to look out for mobs. Let's see, where is my house? There it is. Yep, it's still here, luckily. I didn't move it. Chickens, give me your eggs. I have to actually go in. To actually go inside the cage to get the eggs. Okay, there we go. Sheep. Alright, we're inside the house. Now actually I can remove the bed and plop it back here. There we go. This is going to be the bedroom. No, let's put it like this. Yep. This is going to be the bedroom. Oh yeah, I need the door. I need a door over here too. Do I have a door still? No, I don't. Okay. That's okay. I just make 2. 1 door there. I don't need that. Alright. Alright, can I sleep? No, okay. You would guess that it's like getting nighttime, because since it's raining, you know? But okay, it doesn't matter. When are we gonna do the ceilings? Because we also had to do that too. Oh crap. Oh, I'm gonna quick make this. There you go. Otherwise creepers are gonna fall in, and I don't want that to happen, because then my whole house will be gone. What should I make the ceiling out of? Oh, I know. Let's make it out of cobblestone. Let's see how it looks. It will kind of blend in with this wall, but it's okay. I think it looks cool. Yeah, alright, it looks cool. We can make this a storage room actually. So we have to remove the chest over there, and then we can make the storage room. Also over here. All these damn cows. Why did I put the cage like right next to the house? Oh crap. Shut the fuck up, seriously. One day I'm gonna kill them all and then move the oh crap, I forgot it. And then I'm gonna move the the cage, because it's pretty annoying. Like the cows are actually right there. Wait, can I sleep yet? Put a torch there. And a torch there. Oh, no, not a torch there. Oh wait, crap. This isn't the. Oh, this is the bedroom. Yeah, I forgot. Oh yes, I can sleep. Okay, that's good. Now, although I have a new respawn point, it doesn't actually matter because I only have one life. But yeah. I know. I'm gonna just put this chest over here, and I'm gonna move some stuff. We can make a chest there. So let's get all the cobblestone and put that in the chest. Alright, like that, and then also the dirt. Also all the dirt and the no, let's see. Oh, no, not the hoe. How many dirt do I have? A lot, actually. Oh, no. Alright, and now I will, you know. I don't actually need that many dirt, so I'm just gonna throw this away. Oh. Okay. Alright. So we have the cobblestone and the dirt. Now I can make some, or put the wood into. I will keep this with me. Or no, I grab a whole stack, I think. Yeah, I grab the whole stack and then do it like this. Like this. So from dark wood to white wood. Okay, then we got all these useless things. Okay, what I actually can do is, no, I'm gonna break this chest. Ah, okay, well, it almost fits. So put a chest like this and a chest like this. Oh, of course. Alright, just put all the random stuff in. We can order it later. I don't really care right now. Just so that it won't respawn. Alright, and I don't need that, I don't need that. Oh, let's see, I do need this. Joe. How can I forget Joe? Yeah, like this. Oh, and also my pork chops are pretty important. You know, we should eat. Yeah, it's fine for now. Okay, so I'm just gonna put all the ingots and all the stuff of values in this chest. And all the useless crap I don't need in this chest. Saplings, glass, sugar canes, mushrooms, clay. all those kind of things. Yeah, okay. Yep. Alright, so let's get all the iron. Where did my iron go anyway? Oh yeah, it's in the mine, okay. So let's get it. If I can... Yeah, I think I remember where it is. You guys should too, it's over there. I think it's over here. It's around here somewhere, I know where it is. I put 2 torches on, like, on the tree, so... let's see on the map. Yeah, it should be right. It should be right up here. Shut the hell up. Oh well. Seriously. How can I forget where my own freaking mine is? No, I know it's here, and I will find it. If I don't find it, then I will find it another time. But I will find it. Yeah, it should be right up here. Oh yeah, there it is. I see the torch. There we go. Oh, look. Well, I will get that later. Let's light this area up before the monsters spawn here. And there come the creepy cave noises again. Okay, so I get the iron and the coal and the slime balls and the arrows. I can leave all this stuff right here. I don't need it for now. Okay, this is empty. Let's go. And I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna end the episode of quick. Just for this time. I promise I'll make a longer episode the next. So the next episode will be like longer than 20 minutes or something. If you guys are cool with that. I'm just gonna return to the house and then put the iron in the chest and then end it off. Alright, so like that. Alright, so that's the episode, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you really enjoyed it, then don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, because it really helped me out. And if you leave a comment, that would be also great, because I would really appreciate it. If you do, let me know what you think about the series. And if you have any questions, then please ask them, and I will answer them to you in the comments or in another video. So you will see. Now, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm Brian from TBRCentral, and I'll see you guys later.